Feeling overwhelmed by digital marketing? You're not alone. But guess what? You don't need a big budget to make a big impact. Let's dive into simple, effective DIY digital marketing tips to boost your small business. Your online presence is your digital storefront. Let's start with your website and Google My Business. Your website needs to be professional, mobile friendly, and easy to navigate. Optimize it with relevant keywords for better search visibility. Claim your Google My Business listing and fill in all the details. Encourage customers to leave reviews and respond to them promptly. This will boost your local search rankings and credibility. Social media is your virtual community. Choose platforms where your customers hang out, share valuable content, interact with your audience, and use relevant hashtags. Consistency is key. Neighbors, build relationships and watch your following grow. Content is the heart of your marketing. Create valuable content your audience loves. Share your knowledge, tell stories, and offer solutions. Use a mix of formats like blog posts, videos, and images. Consistency is key again. Track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Use analytics tools to understand your audience and what works. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt your strategy. DIY digital marketing is totally doable. Start small, be consistent, and learn as you go. It's about building relationships and providing value. Remember, you've got this. Subscribe for more informational videos.